Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video I am going to show you how to use our slider layout. Create or open a page on which you want to use our slider layout. Once the page is opened, click on Add Block option and search for Events. Add Event Shortcode block to your page. Under the Select Template setting, change the layout to slider. Click on Publish or Update button and view the page. Now to change the layout style, you can select any of the three styles given in Style setting. This is how you can use any style of the slider layout to show your events. By default, autoplay setting is true. You can set it to false for stop autoplay. Thanks for watching the video.